Here, give me your knee. And you tell Mommy. No, come here. Come here. Ollie. Hey, was Lucy mean?
No.
Was Lucy mean to you?
Yes.
What did she do? Come here.
And right here in the purple room.
Where at?
Look, there's a door.
She closed the door?
Yes.
What did you do? Hey, no, Millie, Molly, no.
No, no.
Hey.
No.
Hey, what did you do? What happened? Was Lucy mean?
No.
Tell me what happened.
There's a door.
She closed the door?
Yeah.
What did you say?
There's a no.
You said no?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Ollie. Do you want me to go tell Lucy no?
Yeah.
Okay, you go tell her.